Welcome to Aalumkclasses. Please do subscribe. Microorganisms. Microorganisms are those living organisms which cannot be seen by the naked eye but can only be seen with the help of the microscope. These are also called microbes. Microscope is a magnifying instrument by which we can see different types of microorganisms under it. Bacteria. Bacteria are of many shapes and live in any environment. These are rod-shaped, comma-shaped bacteria, etc. Fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms which include yeasts, molds, and most familiar, mushrooms. Protozoa are unicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic protists. They occur as single parasites or predators. Algae are photosynthetic green microorganisms, usually multicellular. They are found in oceans and on the wide variety of environments on the earth. Benefits of microorganisms. Raising of dough. When yeasts are used in baking industry by the bakers, they mix yeasts with the flour and kept it for the overnight. When they came in the morning, their dough is raised very high because the yeasts produce carbon dioxide which gets trapped inside the dough, and dough gets raised, which is then baked, and then different types of breads, cakes, biscuits are made from it. Setting of curd. Curd is settled by the bacterium called lactobacillus, which converts plain milk into curd. Curd is then used as a probiotic and is a very nutritious food for human beings. Production of alcohol. Alcohol is produced by yeasts. When natural sugars are fermented by yeasts, alcohol is produced. This process is called fermentation. Cleaning of environment. These microorganisms clean our environment by decomposing the dead and decaying matter, which gets mixed as humus with the soil, and increase its fertility by releasing the different types of nutrients from the humus. Increases fertility of soil by fixing the nitrogen from the atmosphere. Rhizobium, BGA, cyanobacteria are examples of some of the bacteria which help the nitrogen fixation. They increase fertility of the soil by fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Manufacturing of medicines. Different microorganisms are used to produce different types of medicines which help to treat different types of diseases. The main medicines produced with the help of microorganisms are antibiotics like penicillin, amoxicillin, azithromycin, etc. Thank you for watching Aalumkclasses. Please do subscribe, comment, and like.